want to say thank you so much to the Zeus. And today was a good game. Yeah. And I need more. I have a request to play. They need more stoic play. Yeah. Change the mind, change the character. If they can't change the mind, impossible. This top four. Yes. Now, I don't know next game. Yes, but today was good. Yeah. Everyone, thank you so much, player. And libero, good serve always, good serve catch. And setter always good, constant toss. Middle always good block. So we could win. Yeah, I appreciate to play.
Thank you, Coach. Angelina, best player of the game. Another consistent performance for you with Farm Fresh. Siguro ano lang yung nakikita mo na nag-improve din sa sarili mo after back-to-back wins?
I think yung mga tinuturo din ni Coach Cody, like, yun nga, change your mind, and yun nga yung character din kasi ng Farm Fresh. Lagi na lang parang potential, ganun. So yun yung sinasabi niya, yung parang baguhin namin kung ano yung attitude namin sa loob, yung character namin, ganyan. And we understand naman why he gets mad every time na parang nagko-commit kami ng mga parang small mistakes na parang hindi dapat i-commit. And I think nakakatulong talaga yun, yung mentality din talaga ni Coach na gano'n na ini-imply niya talaga sa amin. And ayun, nadadala naman namin siya every game and hopefully, and yun nga talaga, hindi niya kami tinitigilan din sa training eh. So talaga nakakatulong yan sa amin.
Remy, sa Farm Fresh, isa din sa mga dala mo is yung leadership mo din on the court. Siguro after itong back-to-back wins nyo nga, ano yung nakikita mo din nag-improve sa inyo as a team?
Siguro unti-unti din namin na-adopt na yung sistema ni Coach. Na sa ensayo, una syempre sa ensayo, kailangan talagang paghirapan namin yung process para unti-unti din talagang magawa yung tinuturo ng mga coaches namin. And also, pagdating sa game, yung application talaga yung kailangan namin magawa. And all throughout the game, kailangan nga, kailangan lagi namin din nire-remind yung sarili namin na tuloy lang palagi, lalo makinig din sa mga instructions na binibigay ng coaches namin.
For Juliana, siguro after maraming big names na pumasok sa team niyo, mga veterans and all, and for you with fitness issues in the past with injuries, gano'ng kalaking part ng conference na to for you? Kumbaga, trying to prove a point na your spot in Farm Fresh is something you really work for, and kumbaga, you still want to watch out for pa rin sa team.
Since nga ang dami din ng mga pumasok na yun nga, big names sa team. And I think naman si Coach Cody, super fair naman siya in terms sa yung pagdating sa spot, and you have to earn it talaga. And ayun lang, nagkataon lang din talaga na every game din talaga, si Coach nag-iiba rin naman. May system talaga siya na sa kanya, so hindi naman palagi like secure yung spot na yun sa amin. And yung mga ates talaga sa team, like tinutulungan talaga nila kami, especially sa training. And yung healthy competition ba na nangyayari, especially kunwari sa mga middles, ganyan, talagang healthy competition sa amin nila Ate Ara, nila Ate Roy, sila Ate Ceci, ganyan. Hindi talaga secure yung spot. So every training, every game talagang kailangan i-earn mo yung spot mo na yan.
And for any, kumbaga yung